The evolution of numbers is a fascinating topic that traces the development of human civilization from ancient times to the present day. Here are some key milestones in the evolution of numbers. 1. Counting with fingers and stones. The earliest humans used their fingers and small stones to keep track of numbers. This system of counting is still used in some cultures today. 2. Number systems in ancient civilizations. The ancient civilizations of Egypt, Babylon, and India developed their own number systems based on symbols and hieroglyphics. 3. The invention of zero. The concept of zero was first developed by ancient Indian mathematicians in the 5th century CE. This revolutionized mathematics and paved the way for the development of algebra and calculus. 4. The development of arithmetic. The ancient Greeks made significant contributions to the development of arithmetic, including the concept of rational numbers and the Pythagorean theorem. 5. The invention of the decimal system. The decimal system, based on the number 10, was first developed by the ancient Hindus. It was later adopted by Arab mathematicians, who introduced it to Europe. 6. The introduction of negative numbers. Negative numbers were first used in China in the 2nd century BCE, but they were not widely accepted in the West until the 17th century. 7. The development of complex numbers. Complex numbers, which include both a real part and an imaginary part, were first introduced in the 16th century. They are used in many branches of mathematics and physics. 8. The introduction of calculus. Calculus, which deals with the study of rates of change and the accumulation of infinitesimal quantities, was independently invented by Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz in the 17th century. 9. The introduction of imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers, which are used to solve equations that cannot be solved by real numbers alone, were introduced in the 18th century. 10. The development of modern number theory. Number theory, which deals with the properties and relationships of numbers, has been studied extensively since the 19th century. It includes topics such as prime numbers, Diophantine equations, and the Riemann hypothesis.